Hi folks, welcome back to the Tech Minder channel. Today we're delving into an educational tutorial. Have you ever wondered how to retrieve your Wi-Fi password using command prompt on your Windows computer? Well, wonder no more. Before we jump in, if you're new here, consider subscribing, giving us a thumbs up, and hitting that notification bell for more tech insights. Let's get started. Our first step is to open Command Prompt as administrator. Simply search for CMD, right-click and select Run as Administrator. Now that we're in CMD, type netwlan show profiles and hit Enter. This will display a list of all saved Wi-Fi profiles on your computer. Choose the Wi-Fi network you want the password for. Type netwlan show profile name, your Wi-Fi SID key clear, and hit Enter. In the results, look for key content. This is where the magic happens. The characters next to key content are your Wi-Fi password. Be sure to keep it secure. And there you have it. If you found this helpful, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share it with fellow techies. Thanks for tuning in to the Tech Minder. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.